Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom piece of cake, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is something easily accomplished. The office staff were sent on a refresher course in their computer software. How did you do? It was a piece of cake. I'm generally really good with our systems anyway, so it was simple for me. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The team won their game. Some of them found the opposition to be below par. I'd play them every week if I could. It was a piece of cake. The students were discussing how their exam went. How did you find it? I thought it went well, yeah. Piece of cake. The back garden work looked to be a difficult task, but when asked about it, he replied, "It wasn't as tough as I first thought. It was a piece of cake, actually." Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The interview went extremely well, and the woman thought she was a shoo-in. That was a piece of cake. I'm trying to not be overconfident, but I feel it went really well. The salesman smashed his monthly targets out of the park. His manager was discussing his progress. "You did brilliantly this month. Keep up the good work." "It was a piece of cake, boss. Don't mention it." He had felt like the day of the presentation was looming for weeks, but when it was finally over, he wondered what all the fuss was about. That was a piece of cake. I don't know why I was dwelling on it for so long. I'd do it again. Where did you hear the expression piece of cake? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to English Logica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.